students, welcome to Math Magnet. Math made easy. This is for all you little geniuses who need a little help with math. Remember to use this video only as a guide to help you solve your math problems after you have attempted to solve them yourselves. Let's get into today's video. Today we are going to see chapter 2, fractions. We'll try to solve problems practice 1 and practice 2 from workbook for grade 6. Practice 1, dividing fraction by a whole number. The first and foremost rule is when a fraction is divided by a whole number, the division symbol we will change it into multiplication symbol, and then the whole number, for example in this image it is 2, we will flip it. So 2 by 1, this is basically 2 by 1, right? We will flip it, so it becomes 1 by 2. So you will change division to multiplication, on whatever is the whole number we will flip it and it becomes 1 by that number. So let's start solving the questions. The first question, find the value of each of the following. A, 1 by 3 divided by 2. So as I said earlier, the division symbol will have to be changed into multiplication and then we will flip the whole number. So it becomes 1 by 3 divided, which is, the question is 1 by 3 divided by 2, that we can write it as 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 1, and that when you flip and change the symbol into multiplication becomes 1 by 3, division becomes multiplication, 2 by 1, when you flip it becomes 1 by 2. So this you will do as a normal multiplication of a fraction, which is numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 1 into 1 by 3 into 2, which is 6. So the final answer is 1 by 6. Next question, 1 by 5 divided by 3. So this can be rewritten as 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 1. The whole number can be written as a fraction in this format, right? 3 by 1. Now what is the first rule? We will convert the division into multiplication and then we will flip this number. So it becomes 1 by 5 into 1 by 3. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator separately. So 1 into 1 by 5 into 3, which is equal to 1 by 15. The next question, 1 by 4 divided by 2. So this will be rewritten as 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 1. The division becomes multiplication and you flip the whole number, that is a 2 by 1 into 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 8. The next question, 1 by 6 divided by 3. This can be rewritten as 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 1. And then you convert division into multiplication and you flip 3 by 1 into 1 by 3. So it becomes 1 by 6 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 18. The next question, 1 by 8 divided by 4. So it will be rewritten as 1 by 8 divided by 4 by 1. The first step we will convert division symbol to multiplication and then we will flip the whole number. So it becomes 1 by 8 into 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 32. Let's look at the second question. Find the value of each of the following. Express your answer in its simplest form. The first question, 8 by 9 divided by 4. So we'll write it as 8 by 9 into 1 by 4. And we can cancel out 4 and 8 as 1 and 2. So it will become 2 into 1 by 9 into 1, which is equal to 2 by 9. The second question, 9 by 10 divided by 3. That will be equal to 9 by 10 into 1 by 3. Now 3 and 9 will cancel out each other by 3 times. So it will become 1 and 3. So that will be equal to 3 into 1 by 10 into 1. So that will be 3 by 10. Question C, 5 by 9 divided by 10. That will be written as 5 by 9 into 1 by 10. 5 and 10 will cancel out each other by 2 times. So it will become 1 into 1 by 9 into 2. That will be 1 by 18. D, 6 by 7 divided by 12 can be rewritten as 6 by 7 into 1 by 12. 6 and 12 gets cancelled out each other by 2 times. That will be equal to 1 into 1 by 7 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 14. Question E, 6 by 11 divided by 8. It can be rewritten as 6 by 11 into 1 by 8. 6 and 8 will go in the two tables as 3 and 4. So it will be 3 into 1 by 11 into 4, which is equal to 3 by 44. Let's look at practice 2, dividing by a proper fraction. So now in this cases, we are going to see how a whole number is going to be divided by a proper fraction. Question 1. Find the value of each of the following. Express your answer in its simplest form. Question A. 7 divided by 8. All this while we saw how a fraction was divided by a whole number, right? There we rewrote the whole number in a fraction form by writing, suppose it was, if something was divided by 7, we wrote divided by 7 by 1 to make it into a fraction notation. And then what did we do? We converted the division symbol into multiplication symbol and then we flipped the fraction. The steps remains the same. Here we will rewrite it as 7 into 8 by 1. Basically division becomes multiplication and this fraction gets flipped. It becomes 8 by 1. So basically it is equal to 7 into 8, which is equal to 56 by 1, which can be written as 56. Let's look at the next question B. 3 divided by 1 by 7. Similarly, what we did in the previous question, we will convert division into multiplication symbol and then we will convert the fraction to the right of the division symbol and we will flip it. So it becomes 3 into 7 by 1, that is equal to 3 into 7 by 1, which is equal to 21 by 1 or 21. The next question C. 2 divided by 1 by 5. Here division becomes multiplication and we'll flip the fraction. So it becomes 2 into 5 by 1, that is equal to 2 into 5 by 1, which is equal to 10 by 1, which is also equal to 10. Let's look at the next question D. 12 divided by 1 by 4, it becomes 12 into 4 by 1 or 12 into 4 by 1, which is equal to 48 by 1 or equal to 48. Question E. 11 divided by 1 by 1. So it becomes 11 into 9 by 1. It becomes 11 into 9 by 1, which is 99 by 1 or 99. Question 2. Find the value of each of the following. Express your answer in its simplest form. So A is 6 divided by 3 by 8. So that we will rewrite as 6 into 8 by 3 and 3 and 6 cancels out each other by 2 times. So it becomes 2 into 8 by 1, which is equal to 16. Question B. 8 divided by 2 by 7. That can be rewritten as 8 into 7 by 2. So 2 and 8 cancels out each other 4 times. So it becomes 4 into 7 by 1 or equal to 28. Question C. 10 divided by 4 by 5 can be rewritten as 10 into 5 by 4. Now 10 and 4 can be cancelled out by each other using the two tables, which becomes 5 and 2. 4 becomes 2 and 10 becomes 5. So it becomes 5 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 25 by 2. Now here they've asked us to write in its simplest fraction. So this can be rewritten as 12 1 by 2. Question D. 2 divided by 3 by 4. It can be rewritten as 2 into 4 by 3. That becomes 2 into 4 by 3, that is 8 by 3. Now since that we have to write in its simplest form, we will have to rewrite this 8 by 3 as a mixed fraction, which is 2 by 3. Question E. 4 divided by 5 by 8 is equal to 4 into 8 by 5. Now this can be rewritten as 4 into 8 by 5. 4 into 8 is 32. So it becomes 32 by 5. Now that we have to write it in its simplest form, we'll have to write it in a mixed fraction. So that becomes 6 2 by 3. Question 3. Find the value of each of the following. Express your answer in its simplest form. 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6 into 6 by 1. 1 by 6 gets flipped into 6 by 1. So division becomes multiplication. 1 by 6 gets flipped. It becomes 6 by 1. Now 6 and 6 can be cancelled out. It becomes 5 into 1 by 1 into 1, which is equal to 5. The next question B. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. That can be rewritten as 1 by 2 into 5 by 1. So it becomes 1 into 5 by 2 into 1. You cannot simplify this any further. It becomes 5 by 2. Now to write in the simplest form, it will be 2 1 by 2. The next question C. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. It can be rewritten as 3 by 4 into 8 by 1. Now 4 and 8 will cancel out each other 2 times. So it becomes 3 into 2 by 1. So it becomes 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. Question D. 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 10. It becomes 4 by 5 into 10 by 1. Now 5 and 10 will cancel out each other 2 times. So it becomes 4 into 2 divided by 1 into 1, which is equal to 8 by 1, which can be written as 8. The next question E. 8 by 9 divided by 1 by 12. It can be rewritten as 8 by 9 into 12 by 1. Now 9 and 12 goes in 3 tables. 9 goes 3 times and 12 goes 4 times. So finally you can rewrite it as 8 into 4 by 3 into 1. So it will be 4 into 8 is 32. 3 into 1 is 3. So it becomes 32 by 3. You cannot simplify this further. So we will write this into, make it to the simplest form, which is in mixed fraction. It becomes 10 2 by 3. Question 4. Find the value of each of the following. Express your answer in its simplest form. Question A. 3 by 10 divided by 2 by 5. So now we will have to rewrite it as 3 by 10 into 5 by 2. Division becomes multiplication. 2 by 5 gets flipped and it becomes 5 by 2. Now 5 and 10 cancels out each other by 2 times. So you can rewrite it as 3 into 1 by 2 into 2. It becomes 3 by 4. That's your final answer in its simplest form. The next question B. 8 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. It can be rewritten as 8 by 9 into 3 by 2. 3 and 9 cancels out each other 3 times. So it becomes, and 2 and 8 will cancel out each other 4 times. So it will become 4 into 1 by 3 into 1, which will be equal to 4 by 3. That can be written in the mixed fraction as 1 1 by 3. So that will be your final answer. Question C. 9 by 10 divided by 3 by 7. 9 by 10 into 7 by 3. Now 3 and 9 will cancel out each other 3 times. We cannot cancel any further. So you will have to write it as 3 into 7 by 10 into 1, which is 21 by 10. Cannot simplify further, but we will have to make it into the simplest form, that is the mixed fraction, which is 2 1 by 10. Question D. 3 by 4 divided by 7 by 8. It can be rewritten as 3 by 4 into 8 by 7. 4 and 8 will cancel out each other 2 times. And then you will have to rewrite it as 3 into 2 by 1 into 7, which is equal to 6 by 7. It cannot be simplified further, and this is the simplest form. The last question, 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 8 can be rewritten as 5 by 6 into 8 by 3. 6 and 8 will cancel out each other using 2 tables. So 6 becomes 3 and 8 becomes 4. So that can be written as 5 into 4 by 3 into 3, which is equal to 20 by 9. You cannot simplify this further, but you will have to make it in the simplest form. So we will make it into a mixed fraction. So it will become 2 by 9. Thank you friends. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe for more such useful videos. Feel free to comment your doubts down below and I shall get back to you at the earliest. See you soon with another math video. Bye.